Welcome to our Winter Winnings Raffle. Thundy Family Farm is a blossoming medicinal and culinary herb farm. We're fundraising with the raffle to purchase equipment and supplies to get started. Check out these prizes! Shop your way with gift cards. Essential oils. Get ready for spring with seeds. Next up, books. Join in using Cashapp, Venmo, or Zelle. Entry in this raffle enters you in our Homestead Founders community. Founding members receive monthly giveaways, our newsletter, and exclusive access to the Homestead Farm Stay. Thanks for watching!